So function notation, it is represented by f of x. So this little phrase, f of x, represents your y. It means the exact same thing. And it is read f of x. The letter f is the name of the function. It is not a variable. Other letters can be used like g and h. So here I gave you some examples. Like y is the same thing as f of x. Y is the same thing as g of x or h of x. All of these mean the same thing. Okay? This is all the exact same equation. So if I look down here at these 4 problems, I'm just solving different parts of the function or the equation. So in the first one, it says, what is the value of the function f of x equals 4x when x equals 0.72? So first thing, we know that we have f of x equals 4x. We also know that f of x is the same thing as saying y, and our x was given to us, 0.72. So if I multiply 4 times 0.72 together, we get 2.88. So in letter B, I went ahead and gave you the function y equals. So what is the value of the function? Y equals negative 2x when x is 3. So I'm just plugging a 3 in for the x. And if I multiply negative 2 times 3, that is negative 6. C. For what value of x is the value of f of x equals 3x minus 2 equal to 10? So in this case, we're going to replace that with y. And it says equal to 10. So our expression is going to equal 10 instead of y. So we're plugging 10 in for y. And we are going to solve for the x, which is just a 2-step equation. So we're going to add 2. And divide by 3. So x would equal 4. So over here, same similar idea for letter D. Y equals negative 2x plus 3. And that expression is going to equal to negative 3. So I'm going to plug negative 3 in for y. And to solve, I'm going to subtract 3, which gives me a negative 6. And I'm going to divide by negative 2. And that would be a positive 3. What am I doing? Positive 3. Okay. And then in the last example, this one you're setting up an equation and you're solving it. So Chris earns $35 per hour. Hopefully you know that per means like multiplication times h. So using p for his pay and h for the hours he works, what function rule represents the situation? So p, the pay, is equal to $35 times every hour he works. Well, if Chris earns 6 hours or works 6 hours, how much pay does he earn? So you would do 35 times 6, and that would give you your answer in dollars. So 35 times 6 is 210. So Ryan earns $25 per hour. Again, using P for his pay and H for the hours he works, what function rule represents the situation? So P equals $25 per hour, so times H. And if Ryan works for 4 hours, 25 times 4 is 100. So he would earn $100. Okay, that is the end of day 1 notes. Come back for day 2 notes.